Okay, so now we're moving on to our last piece. We have 2 pages left to our stapled piece. So the first thing we're going to do is we're only going to cut out the top 2 boxes. This box is there just for formatting. We do not need that. We are just going to cut out the top 2 boxes. And again, please cut them out neatly. Please throw away your scraps when you're finished. Do not leave a mess at your desk. And again, if I'm going too fast, please pause the video and get caught up. You can always rewind a video as well. Okay, so I only have 2 tabs on this one. And then on the last page, you're going to cut out this box. Don't cut out the individual pieces. Just cut out the box. Okay, so this is going to go on page 21 of your notebook. So again, you're going to take tapered glue, whichever you prefer. And again, I'm on page 21. So we're going to attach this to the notebook. Okay, so I got enough tape down. Again, I'm on page 21. Okay, so if I got 2 tabs left here, and I gotta look at what my pictures look like. I have the word complementary and supplementary. And you think about what we talked about already here. The top picture looks like they're complementary, and the bottom picture looks like they're gonna be supplementary. So again, we're gonna use paper glue, and we're gonna attach these last 2 pieces. So at this point, you should not have any more pieces left. If you do, then something happened and you're missing something somewhere else. Okay, so to fill out these last 2 tabs, remember, complementary, we abbreviated before, remember COMP for complementary, but complementary angles have a sum of 90, which again means they add to give you 90 degrees. So if I look at both pictures, you know, either picture, in this first one, angle 2 and angle 1, 60 plus 30 is 90, so they add up to be 90. So angle 1 is complementary to angle 2. Even if you look at this picture over here, 1 and 2 together make this right angle, which is 90 degrees. So that's still complementary. So another way you could put it is the measure of angle 1 plus the measure of angle 2 equals 90 degrees. Because again, either way, like here, 60 plus 30 gives you 90. That means they're complementary. Okay, and then our last box, supplementary angles. Their sum is 180. Okay, they add up to be 180. Now, sometimes if you get these confused, here's one thing that I think of in my head that possibly could help. C becomes before S in the alphabet, and 90 comes before 180 when you're counting in numerical order. So complementary, sum is 90, supplementary, and remember we abbreviated as SUP, S-U-P-P, their sum is 180. Okay, so let's fill out the supplementary tab. Notice in the picture on the right, if I would add 30 plus 150, I get 180. So they're complementary or supplementary, I'm sorry. And then over here, this is an example of a linear pair, which are still supplementary. So either picture you look at it, angle 1 is supplementary to angle 2. And if I would add them together, angle 1 plus angle 2 gives me 180. Okay, so at this point, we should have all of our flip tabs filled out. Again, if I went too fast, pause it, get caught up. Okay, so again, at this point, after the 4 videos, you should have 4 pages filled out. Alternate interior, alternate exterior, corresponding. It's the same sides, the vertical, adjacent, and linear, as well as complementary and supplementary.